guys can hear right now is the TV. We were gonna go sleep in our room until we found out the air mattress had like a whole pull-on hole. It was like at least this big. This wide, this big.
Okay, listen up, everybody. We have a new student with us today. This is Matilda Wormwood. I'd like you to sit over here with Maggie. Now, you all remember how scurvy your first days at school were, so I'd like you to be especially nice to Matilda and make her feel welcome, all right? Could you get her work for me, please?
That's the Christmas tree.
Miss Honey was a wonderful teacher and a friend to everyone.
It is. Wow. Matilda, you know how to multiply big numbers.
I read this book last year in mathematics at the library.
You like to read?
Oh, yes. I love to read.
What do you like to read?
Everything. I get there reading Charles Dickens. I could read him every day.
It's a good idea. All right, everyone. Take out your workbooks and start with section 3. Back in a minute. Almost got you. Good to see you, Jen. Good. Time for one of our little heart-to-hearts? Actually, it's about the new girl in my class who's trying to call Matilda Wormwood. My father says she's a real wart.
She's literally
Matilda Wormwood is a very sweet girl. Very bright. A bright child. She can multiply large sums in her head. So can a calculator. Well, I think she might be happier in an older and in a more advanced class. You can handle a little bypass here trying to foster up one of the other teachers. Yes, typical slow carriers. Listen to me, Jen. The distance the shot put goes depends upon the effort you put into it. Perspiration. If you can't handle a little brat, I'll lock her in the chimney. One day, Jen, you'll see that everything I do is for your own good. And the good of those future and fellow children.
My teacher lets me do 6th grade work. Floating. Algebra. Come on. Can't you see I'm in the middle of an important phone call? Will you just ask me how school was? Quiet. You're the most wonderful teacher. Mine are driving me crazy. I'm telling you 6 hours a day at school is not enough. I'll say.
Hi. Whack to the belly. Smack to the face. Not smack to the face. Burn this hurt. He's on the ropes, ladies and gentlemen. Saved by the bell. How much is it to say?
Come here.
Okay.
Hello.
We don't give money. We don't like charities. We don't buy raffle tickets.
This is leaving. I'm Matilda's teacher.
What's she done now? You, go to your room right now. Right now. Eat it. Come on. Get in. Close the door.
Who is that?
Some teacher. started talking about Matilda.
What'd you do that for? Influence was on the ropes.
What do you want?
I'm sure you're aware, Eleanor, that Matilda has a brilliant mind.
Yeah, right. Mikey, give me a beer.
Her masters are simply extraordinary. She's reading material that I want one. Oh, no, thank you, dear. Material I didn't see until my second year of college. I really feel private instruction that she'd be ready for college in just a few short years.
Look, Miss Smith, a girl does not get anywhere by acting intelligent. I mean, take a look at you and me. You chose books. I chose looks. I have a nice house, a wonderful husband, and you were slaving away eating snot-nosed children in your ABCs. You want Matilda to go to college?
College. I didn't go to college. I don't know anybody who did. Bunch of hippie successful salesmen.
Snare at educated people, Mr. Wormwood. If you became ill, heaven forbid, your doctor would be a college graduate. Or say you were sued for selling a faulty car. The lawyer who defended you would have gone to college too.
What car? Sued by who? Who you been talking to?
Nobody. Oh dear, I can see we're not going to agree, are we? No. Sorry,
Did you hear?
What is so hard for interrupting our show?
Tell me about it. Why'd you stand in the middle of the ring?
Standing in the middle of the ring because it's over.
You missed it?
Great, it's over.
You won.
How do I know? You shut it off.
At some banks, to open an account, it feels like step after step. Not at Capital. You can open a checking account in just 5 minutes. That's right, 5 minutes. Plus, the checking and savings accounts have no fees or minimums. That is how it should be. And you can do your banking right here. Capital One Checking.
She's
Work
out
from anywhere with the top-rated Capital One app.
like as soon as the movie started.
What's in yours?
Done.
Grab Taco Bell's Nachos Party Pack. You're dressing up to stay in.
She's like, bye.
Or witnessing one year.
Honestly, that's what I'm telling you.
Delicious nachos.
She snorts and I didn't know it.
Nachos Party Pack. Only at Taco Bell.
And yeah. Peace. Oh, like, subscribe.